what's for dinner. I'm making panko fried shrimp.
Shrimp!
Yep, these are peeled and deveined shrimp. I just bought a frozen bag. And then these are the peppers for the sausage and peppers. And then I'm using flour, egg, and the panko breadcrumbs. Cooked with these Japanese style breadcrumbs. And I'm placing it in this order and then frying them. And then they come out like this. So I'm going to continue heating that up, and then I'm going to cut those into slices to cook some more on the inside before I mix it with the peppers. Right, Mia? Mia's helping me. Hi, Mia. So this is my last batch of shrimp to flour and bread, and then I cut up my sausage and mixing it with the peppers now. And I'll show you what I'm doing. So just put it on the table, Malia. I'll put it away. So I'm just prepping these for the next batch. So flour, egg, and breadcrumbs. I'll just keep it on the side, and I'll just do it with a bunch more for the next batch. So by the time that I'm done breading these, that will be done, and I can pull that out. So I'll probably have 2 more rounds of this to cook, and it should be done, and I'll show you what everything looks like. Okay, so my shrimp is pretty much done. I have 1 more batch frying that I need to add, and that's my cut up sausage and peppers. I use sweet sausage and peppers, and normally I would add pasta to this, but I didn't today. And originally I was going to do shrimp scampi, but the girls actually like this better, and I usually do tempura shrimp. Hubby and I did a video a while ago making how to make tempura shrimp, which is similar to this. It's just that we're using panko breading instead of the tempura. I'm using this sweet and chili sauce for the dip for the shrimp, and you can find this in any Asian food store. I'm heating up the rice that we had from yesterday, and then I'm eating it with salad and tomatoes. So that's pretty much our dinner for today, and I hear the kids screaming, and I'm a mess today. That's why I don't have any special video planned. I just thought I would do a what's for dinner. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna be doing a giveaway tomorrow, so I'll see you. Bye.